When it comes to tattoos, the way I look at it is they're going to be on your body permanently for the rest of your life. So us as tattoo collectors, or even if you just have one, we should aim to keep our tattoos looking as new and as fresh as possible. Me, I personally do everything in my power to keep my tattoos looking as awesome as they possibly can. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can keep your tattoos looking fresh, and also what I incorporated into my daily routine to help my tattoos look bright, vibrant, and pop. So you are not going to want to miss it. So stick around. But let's start off right in the morning. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I wake up from a good night's sleep, not only does my mouth feel extremely dry, but my skin does as well. So I will almost always sleep with a water bottle close by. And as soon as I wake up, I down that bad boy. Now I touched on this a little bit in another video, but when you drink a lot of water, your skin becomes much more hydrated. And if you have tattoos, you will drastically, and I mean drastically, see a difference in how your tattoos look if you drink a lot of water. So I try to aim to drink as much as I can. You're gonna see a common thread that I do throughout my day to not only protect my tattoos, but to keep my skin as hydrated as possible. Those two things are key to keeping your tattoos looking the best that they can. After I down myself a nice bottle of H2O, I will then head over to the bathroom and do my bathroom stuff. I will brush my teeth, and then I will also take hydrating my skin to the next level and apply a thin layer of body moisturizer to my tattoos. If your tattoos are new and healing, you want to aim for a unscented body lotion. But for me, all my tattoos are nice and healed up, so I will aim for a high quality body lotion. There is some body lotions that are out there that are good for your skin, but actually can affect the ink pigments of your tattoo. So I try to avoid them. Right now I'm using J.K. Watkins Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It smells good and it's a really high quality lotion to protect my tattoos while moisturizing them. After applying a thin layer of body moisturizer to my tattoos, I will then take my dog for a walk. Or if he's sleeping, have a cup of coffee, whatever one comes first. Almost always, whenever I go outside and I know I'm going to be outside in the sun for long periods of time, I will apply a sunscreen to my tattoos. Now in the morning, I'm just going to take my dog for a walk, so usually I will just put on a long sleeve shirt to protect my tattoos from the sun. I don't apply the sunscreen in the morning because of two reasons. One, because I just applied lotion and I don't really want to cake products on top of my skin. That can cause breakouts on top of your tattoo, and that can really affect it and make it look really weird. And two, because after I take my dog Sirius out, I will then take a shower. So why waste the product, you know? Now after I go back with the pup, I will immediately head for the shower. Now right before I get into the shower, I will shave my tattoos with a brand new razor and also moisturizing shaving cream. Or some soap, whatever you may have. I mentioned this to you guys that I shaved my tattoos, and it seems like a lot of you are starting to shave your tattoos as well and seeing a pretty nice improvement on the way your tattoos look. So that is pretty exciting to see. What a lot of people don't understand is that no matter if you have a lot of hair growing over your tattoo or just a little bit, hair growing over it is going to hide a lot of detail. Lighter hair growing over tattoos, like mine for example, will make the tattoo appear much more dull. And the reason being because the light is bouncing off of the hair, causing this reflection that makes the tattoo look, well, dull. You may have never considered shaving over your tattoos, because I know I didn't until my tattoo artist told me about it. But trust me, try it out and you'll see a drastic change in your tattoos, and you'll thank me later. I do want to add that when you're shaving over your tattoos, you do want to make sure that you are extremely careful to not cut your skin, because your skin will heal, but your tattoo will be permanently affected, and you'll have to go back to your tattoo artist to get a tattoo touch up and that's just a big hassle. Also, I don't do this every single day. I will only do it about once a week, but if you're the type of person that grows body hair faster than others, you might want to aim for about twice a week to shave your tattoos. And clippers are fine if you don't want to use a razor. I use clippers sometimes as well. Okay, once I get in the shower and I do all my shower stuff, at the very end, I will exfoliate all of my tattoos. If you do not know what exfoliating your skin is, it's pretty much removing all of the dead skin cells on the top layer of your skin. Those dead skin cells will start to accumulate over time on top of your tattoo, and if you don't remove them, your tattoo is going to look less detailed and less vibrant than it actually is. You can use whatever soap you have laying around in your shower or get an actual exfoliation scrub to get maximum exfoliation. I will list and link one below that I personally use that I recommend down below. Removing those dead skin cells will really make your tattoo look so much better and really just make it pop. Now, you don't want to do this too often because even though removing those dead skin cells are good for your tattoo, you want to allow brand new skin cells to form. So yeah, don't do this too often. I only do it about once a week. After my shower, I will then gently dry my tattoo with a towel and also apply another round of body moisturizer. Now, I personally love, with a passion, hot showers, but hot water can really dry your skin out. So I always aim to apply a body moisturizer every single time I get out the shower, just to make sure my body, my skin, and my tattoos are well hydrated. Remember, hydrated skin equals better tattoos. Now, I am about to go pick up lunch for me and Lexi, but touching on what I was saying earlier, knowing that I'm going to be going out in the sun, and of course today is one sunny mother, I always apply some type of sunscreen. Now, my type of skin, I burn pretty easily, so I will use an FPS 50 just to make sure I am protected and my tattoos are protected. But, you know, 30 is fine as well. Little pro tip for you guys, what I personally do is leave sunscreen right by my front door or inside of my car, just so I don't forget it. You never want to go out in the sun for long periods of time and forget to apply sunscreen. I did it before and I was really mad at myself. Now, some people will just spray the sunscreen on and then leave it there and then that's it. But for me, for extra protection for my tattoos, I will spray it on my tattoos and then rub it in. And then leave it so it really sinks into my skin. And plus, when you rub in the sunscreen to your tattoos, it gives it that nice sleek look and makes your tattoos look so much more better, in my opinion. Then when I get to whatever destination I'm going to, in this case the restaurant, I will then apply another layer of sunscreen, but this time I won't rub it in. Sounds kind of crazy, I know, but hey, I want to keep my tattoos looking as good for as long as they possibly can. Now, if sunscreen really isn't your thing, I know I had a pretty hard time getting used to it because I just hate the feeling of it. Try putting on some light clothing, especially in the summer, so you're not sweating. It'll still protect your tattoos and you won't have to really worry about any UV damage to your tattoos. The sun on its own is one of the worst tattoo killers. It could really like make or break the way your tattoos look. So I really go out of my way to try to protect them. Later on in the day, depending on if I go out for the night, I will then apply what I like to call a tattoo enhancer. And what I mean by that is just applying some type of product to the tattoo to make it look more sleek and pop. Everything that I mentioned so far will make your tattoos pop, but this just gives it a little extra pop. I have been using this Mad Rabbit tattoo balm. It's really supposed to make your tattoos look much more brighter, but to be honest, I really haven't seen much of a difference, but I am still testing it out. Now, if you don't have something like a tattoo balm, a little hack that you can do is apply a thin layer of baby oil over your tattoos. Me personally, I feel like this works the best out of any products that I've ever used to enhance my tattoos. Baby oil is a definite win in my book. Now I can go out for the night knowing that my tattoos are looking awesome and bright. Now, when I get home for the night and I'm about to go to bed, I will then apply yet another layer of body lotion to my tattoos, but I will switch up the body lotion. I will use this bedtime body lotion from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good, it hydrates my skin, and it has black chamomile, I think it's called, to really help you sleep. Like I said earlier, I usually wake up feeling really dry, so applying a body lotion right before bed helps. Now I know this might sound like a lot to you, but I've been doing this for many years now, and once you implement all of these things into your daily routine, it just becomes second nature. Not only does this make my tattoos look vibrant and new, but I'm setting them up to age well. If you want to learn more about tattoos, be sure to check this playlist out right here. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss future videos. And I will see you in the next video, so peace.